Number 3 says a solution of 2 grams pronestal in 500 mLs D5W is used to administer a dosage of 2 milligrams per minute. Find the rate in milliliters per hour. So we have the rate that this dosage is infusing, but our rate is in milligrams per minute, and they want the rate in milliliters per hour. So I need to convert from a powdered form to a liquid form, as well as convert from minutes to hours. So I'm going to use the solution strength, which is 2 grams over 500 mLs, and I'm going to put the 2 milligrams here. So there's 2 things I need to do. I need to convert this to 2,000 milligrams so that they match. And then I also need to multiply by 60. And again, that's because this 2 milligrams is per minute, and our final rate we want to be per hour. So I'm going to take 500 times 2 times 60 divided by 2,000, and we get 30. So this is 30 mLs per hour.